How to add songs to a Spotify playlist? Let me show you how to add songs to a Spotify playlist quickly and easily. First, open Spotify and make sure you're signed into your account. Now, find the song you want to add to your playlist. You can use the search option to find a specific song. Once you find the song, tap the three dots next to it. From the menu, select Add to Playlist. Now, choose the playlist where you want to add the song. That's it. The song will be added to your selected playlist immediately. If you want to add another song, simply repeat the same process. Find the song, tap the three dots, select Add to Playlist, and choose your playlist. There's also a faster way if you're already inside the playlist. Open the playlist you want to add songs to and tap the Add button. Spotify will show you recommended songs that you can add directly to that playlist. Simply tap the plus or add button next to any song you want. And that's how you can add songs to a Spotify playlist. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.